Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today and show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse LT. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with turn signals, roof rails, solar array, deep tinted glass, and much more. Do you need a big SUV that can shuttle lots of people and cargo? The 2016 Chevrolet Traverse is made for you. This Traverse has 18-inch machine aluminum alloyed wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Traverse is in great condition. It has automatic dual cavity halogen headlamps, along with fog lights, daytime running lights, and a really nice chrome grille with the iconic Chevrolet emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder 3.6 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Traverse has front-wheel drive and is equipped with a 22-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Traverse has only 51,079 miles on it. At the back of the Traverse, you can see the antenna, the rear spoiler, and the rear wiper, along with the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Traverse even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with the family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own climate controls, and you can use the fold-down armrest, the cup holders, and the power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabinet is well appointed with nice wood grain interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated premium cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Traverse is also equipped with a locking glove box, theater dimming interior lighting, and OnStar. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the programmable power door locks with lockout protection, and the power windows with driver express down. This Traverse has a very comfortable tilting and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features. This includes your AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB or auxiliary ports. You also have a large climate controls, and everything that you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes 7 years or 100,000 miles limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended services. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.